I bought and tested these foaming septic root killers so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. With so many options out there, it can be overwhelming to choose the right product. I've gone through the hassle, and I'm here to give you the inside scoop on the top 5 products that genuinely deliver results. Product number 1, Septic Tank Treatment by Cabin Obsession. When I first encountered the septic tank treatment by Cabin Obsession, I was skeptical. I mean, a packet that you just flush down the toilet each month? How effective could that really be? But my curiosity got the better of me, and I decided to give it a shot. I followed the instructions meticulously, flushing one unscented packet once a month. To my surprise, I began noticing a significant difference in my septic system's performance. The bacteria in the packets work diligently to break down waste, ensuring that my tank remains healthy and functional. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the pros side, this product is incredibly easy to use. Just one flush per month means minimal effort for maximum benefits. The formula is all natural and environmentally friendly, which is a huge plus for someone like me who cares about sustainability. Additionally, the ability to eliminate odors is a game changer, especially in those summer months when the smell can become unbearable. On the downside, the price point might seem a bit high for some, but considering the potential cost of septic repairs, it's a worthwhile investment. So why buy it? If you want a hassle-free solution to maintain a healthy septic system without resorting to harsh chemicals, this product is for you. It not only prevents expensive backups, but also ensures that your system runs smoothly for years to come. Product number 2. Roebic K570Q Leach and Drain Field Opener. When I stumbled upon the Roebic K570Q Leach and Drain Field Opener, I was desperate to tackle some persistent clogs in my drain field. This product promised to rapidly break up buildup and restore proper drainage, and I was all in. The application process was straightforward. I mixed the concentrate with water and poured it down the toilet. Almost immediately, I could feel a difference in the flow. The patented bacteria in the formula seemed to work wonders, breaking down protein and starches that had been causing problems. The pros of this product are impressive. It's biodegradable and safe for the environment, which is crucial for someone who values eco-friendliness. The professional strength bacteria used in the formulation gave me confidence that it would tackle even the toughest clogs. On the flip side, the price isn't listed, which could be a sticking point for some potential buyers, and it might require a bit of patience to see full results. Why should you buy this product? If you're facing stubborn clogs in your drainage system, this Roebic opener is your go-to. It's a professional-grade solution that delivers reliable results, making it a sound investment for maintaining your septic system. Product number 3. Green Gobbler Foaming Root Killer. I had heard horror stories about tree roots invading sewer lines, so when I came across the Green Gobbler Foaming Root Killer, I took the plunge. This product promised to dissolve roots growing inside pipes and prevent future regrowth, which sounded perfect for my situation. The first time I used it, I followed the instructions carefully and poured it into my toilet. The foaming action was impressive. I could actually see it working its way through the pipes. The pros are numerous. It's effective at killing roots and safe for both pipes and septic systems. The fact that it contains no copper sulfate means I didn't have to worry about damaging my plumbing or surrounding trees. However, the cons include the need for regular maintenance applications, which can add up over time. So why buy this product? If you're dealing with tree root issues that threaten to clog your sewer lines, the Green Gobbler Foaming Root Killer is a must-have. It's a cost-effective solution that allows you to avoid expensive tree removal or plumbing repairs. Product number 4. Roebic K37H Septic Tank Treatment. I first tried the Roebic K37H Septic Tank Treatment after hearing rave reviews about its ability to promote efficient breakdown and odor reduction. The liquid formula was easy to pour, and I noticed an immediate improvement in my septic system's odor control. The patented rootx bacteria in this treatment seemed to be the key, efficiently degrading paper, proteins, and other solids. On the plus side, this product is safe for all plumbing systems, which really eased my mind. It's economical since it's designed to be used quarterly, making it a viable option for regular maintenance. However, I found that the liquid form can be a bit messy if not handled carefully, and some might prefer a more straightforward application method. Why should you consider this product? If you want a reliable septic treatment that not only breaks down waste but also keeps odors at bay, the Roebic K37H is your answer. It's a smart investment for maintaining a healthy septic system without the hassle. Product number 5. Roebic K37-Q Septic Tank Treatment. I couldn't resist trying the Roebic K37-Q Septic Tank Treatment after my experience with the K37H. This one is designed to last a full year and promotes natural balance in your septic system, which I found appealing. The application involved pouring the liquid into the toilet, and it was just as easy as its counterpart. I was impressed by how quickly I noticed a reduction in odors and clogs. The pros include its long-lasting effectiveness and its ability to restore balance in the system, which is crucial for preventing future issues. It's also eco-friendly, which is something I always look for in products. However, like the K37H, it's a liquid, which may not be as convenient for everyone. Why buy this product? If you want a long-term solution that keeps your septic system running smoothly, the Roebic K37-Q is an excellent choice. It's economical, effective, and environmentally friendly, making it a solid addition to your septic maintenance routine. In conclusion, maintaining a healthy septic system is crucial for avoiding costly repairs and unpleasant odors. Each of these products has unique benefits, whether you need to tackle clogs, prevent tree root issues, or promote a balanced system. I highly recommend trying these foaming septic root killers to keep your system in top shape.